What's good everybody, is your boy David again. So magre-react tayo ngayon sa J-Mail with Sir Ogie Alcacid. So I'm not sure if kaninong concert to, but I suppose it has something to do with Mr. Ogie Alcacid. So parang ano dito, guests yung J-Mail dito, si JM tsaka si Mariel. And shoutout to Kuis KS. Mag-follow kayo sa kanya, mag-subscribe kayo sa kanya kasi sa kanyang video na to. And this is a raw footage of this performance. And ang kinanta nila dito is Kailan, Paraiso, Magpakailanman, and Better World. So I'm not familiar with the Better World, but we're going to hear it anyways. So if bago kayo dito, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. So let's go! Eto na.
Mr. C, ito naman po ang aking tanong. Bakit mo naisipang buuin ang grupong Smoky Mountain? Hindi po yung bundok ng basura, yung Smoky Mountain. Oy, okay kayo dyan? Mag-aaway kayo? Anong problema? Sorry. Yes, Mr. C.
Okay, actually, nagkataon, this was the time that my wife and I, we built a new school of music. And tama-tama din, I had Ryan Musikahan, an ancient show. Hindi nyo alam eh. And tama-tama, kasikatan, naghahanap lagi kami ng mga bagong talents. And I have a partner, and he said, ba't ganon? Ang daming magagaling na Filipino singers. 10 sa pera. Sabi niya, hindi pa na-discover itong natural treasures. At sana, gawa nila ng paraan na ito ay exploit. So, tama-tama. Then that's the reason why we put up a teen group called Smoky Mountain.
Ang haba ng sagot niya, no? No, but really, thank you for that information, Mr. C, because Smoky Mountain was so popular. It was world famous, ika nga. So, I like to sing some songs from the group Smoky Mountain, written by Mr. C. Would you like to hear some of them? And joining me tonight are two of the most popular new talents in the industry. Next gen winners of Tawag ng Tanghalang duets, JM de la Serna and Mariel Monteliano of It's Showtime.
Yes,
Also
sir.
known as J-Mail. Here they are. Come on, you guys.
Uy, pogi at ang ganda ni Mariela. Si JM parang K-drama actor.
Bakit kaya nangangamba sa tuwing ika'y nakikita? Sana naman magpakilala.
Lala. Ganda. Beautiful blending. Ganda. Linis ng boses. Nice delivery. Ah. Nice. Woo! Ibang klase talaga si JM, no? Yung agility niya.
Salute and hope and respect from the rest of the world. Yes, indeed.
Yeah. Uy.
Malapakan mo natin, Jamiel.
Yes, sir.
And don't you just love those songs? You know that song Paraiso is actually a favorite of Vice Ganda. Sinabi sa akin ni Vice, kinukwento niya, alam mo, paborito ko yung Paraiso, lalo na yung part na nung kabataan niya kasi nung binabasa niya yung lyrics, ano nga yun? Ayun, yun yung word na, that if I could see a single bird, what a joy. Yun, na-realize niya, gusto niya yung song. Grabe yung may joke ako, nakalimutan ko yung joke ko, di ba? Ito ngayon, gusto ko rin yung song. Ay, nako. Another round of applause for Jamiel. Itong dalawang ito, madalas kong nakakasama. Sila sa bahay sila nakatira. No, araw-araw, siyempre sa showtime. And meron akong tanong sa inyo, no? Kamusta naman ang pagmamahalan ninyong dalawa? Bakit ganyan ang ngiti mo? Pwede niyong sagutin, pwede niyong huwag sagutin, pwede niyong sagutin sa pamamagitan ng inyong mga ngiti. Sige nga. Ganyan kami ni Regine nung araw.
Happy Valentine's po, Sir Og.
Oo, bulak na bulaklak ang suot mo.
Ito talaga yung bouquet.
Pwede pa hiram, gusto mo rin isuot yan. Mamayang gabi. Kamusta ang feeling ninyo to share the stage with two of the country's music maestros? What is the feeling? Describe it. Describe it. Elucidate. Describe it in so many words. In English, please.
Oh my God.
Perfect. No, what's the feeling? I'm sorry.
No, it's just so surreal, Sir Augie.
Surreal.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, what a word. Surreal. It's so real to me. It's so real. Yes. What about you?
Super happy po. Kasi...
Madaming words yan. Isa word.
Happy.
Happy.
Yes.
Why are you happy?
Because it's not every day that we get to share the stage with the legends, the icons.
Grabe yung legends.
Ay, sorry po, sorry. Sorry po, sorry.
Parang malapit na. Grabe.
Di po, pero like I said, it's not our first time sharing the stage with Sir.
Tawa kayo ng tawa, kayo din.
Pero
Joke.
with Mr. C and Sir Louie po, it's our first time. Kaya we're so grateful na mabigyan po ng opportunity na sa dami-dami magagaling na singers and performers sa bansa ay kabilang kami or na-consider niyo po kami. Kaya thank you
Yes.
very much po.
Loki, ang gagaling na itong dalawa na to.
Wala kayong bayad, kaya... Biro lang. Itong mga nandito sa harap, tawa ng tawa. Siguro, libre ba yung ticket niyo? I mentioned earlier that I reimagined my songs. You know, back in the day, we used to just call them like rearranging the songs, but now they say reimagining. You know, I don't know why, but that is so reimagining. That's so
Diyan pala galing yung mga reimagined. Okay.
It's letting some of the new generation singers reimagine my song. I wrote this song a couple of years ago, sung by my wife and I'd like for Jamiel to give it a try. Would you like to hear it? Would you like to hear it?
Yes, of course.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jamiel.
Woo! Let's go.
Lahat ng pangarap mo ay iyong matatamo. Sa iyong likuran, ako'y laging naririto.
Beautiful. Ayan na si JM. Woo! Woo! Yay! Grabe. Effortless. What? Grabe. That was impressive. Ibang klase talaga yung Jamiel, no? Woo! Grabe yun.
Palakpakan po natin, Jamiel. Aren't they great? Oh my goodness.
Galing.
That is their new single, which they will be launching soon, Pagkain Ka Man, which I wrote. And then it's your song now.
Ah,
Thank you so much, Sir Ogie. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po.
Palakpakan po
bagay
natin
sa kanila talaga.
Jamiel. Yes.
Oy, andito pala si Sofronio. Para finale na ata to, di ba? Woo! Ah, nice.
Good night, everybody. God bless you all.
Yes, sir.
JM de la Serna.
Okay. Dito na muna tayo. Okay, pause na tayo kasi patapos na. Anyway, shout out to Kuis KS, okay, for this video. Ito lang, gusto ko lang i-highlight ito I've said this so many times pero it still amazes me, no? Kay Mariel kasi, yung tone kasi niya is very soft and sweet. Pero in terms sa range and yung stability ng boses niya sa mga birit, andun no? Talagang it's very impressive kasi may mga singers kasi na pag narinig mo kahit low notes nila or kahit yung hindi naman birit na mga notes, 'di ba? Masasabi mo na, uy, biritera to, no? Kasi yung boses, yung quality pa lang parang very aggressive, 'di ba? Mabigat na. Pero kay Mariel kasi, in her case, she has this soft and sweet tone na talagang di mo siguro masasabi mo, oy, malawak yung range siya, pero hindi mo masasabi na may ganung ka-solid siyang birit no, mga may mga singers na they can hit some high notes pero they're not considered as belters, no? Pero si Mariel, she can be that sweet type of singer and also that belter kind of singer. That's why I'm super impressed. And yung agility ni JM, no? Yung pabigla-biglang mga transitions from low notes to high notes, yung mga bali ganon, no? Yung transition niya from melody to harmony, man, amazing singers, grabe. And magpasalamat tayo kay Sir Ogie kasi he is one of maybe the biggest blessing para sa JML na mabigyan pa ng exposure at mabigyan ng kanta. First single ng JML, which is bagay na bagay kay JM at saka kay Mariel. So, ayun, magpasalamat tayo dun. Okay? Kay Sir Ogie. So, yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.